Being a caregiver is a very important job, one that many of us learn on the fly. Landmark Health understands that caregiver tasks can be challenging to perform without the proper training. This video will walk you through mobility exercises that you can do in the home using some simple materials. The tools you can use can be found around your home, soup cans or water bottles. It's as simple as doing some bicep curls and tricep extensions. What you're looking at is your ability to extend your arm, do a bicep curl, and then turn and you can do a tricep extension. It would be great if you could do 10 at a time and then take a rest. Later, do 10 more. Over time, you'll be able to gain strength in your muscle. It'll help you in the kitchen when you're lifting that pot off the stove. It'll help you carry in the groceries or doing just any day-to-day normal activities around the home. It's really important to maintain your lower body strength, as it is your quadriceps that help you get up and out of a chair. What you're going to do to keep yourself stable is simply put your hands on your countertop. It's important to have your feet slightly separated. You can keep them in alignment with your hips. You're going to bend your knees and slightly lower your body. You go as low as you're comfortable. As you're standing back up, it's really important to engage all the muscles in your legs, in your buttocks, in your abdomen. If you can do 10 of these in a row, that would be fantastic. And over time, you're able to build your strength and endurance. You can add. As a caregiver, you can stand next to the individual while they're doing these exercises at the countertop, just to ensure that extra stability. You can do these simple exercises 3 times a day. The simplest way to do it is when you're ready to prepare a meal. To keep track of what you're doing, you can create a calendar that you put on your refrigerator. Thank you for all your hard work in caring for your loved one. Remember, Landmark is available to support eligible patients 24/7. When your loved one feels ill, please make your first call to their Landmark care team.